Hello everyone. Today, I want to tell you a simple story about a day when I helped an old man. It was a beautiful morning. I woke up early and went outside for a walk. The weather was nice. The sun was shining, and the sky was clear. I walked slowly along the street. There were many people around me. Some people were going to work, and some people were going to the shops. As I was walking, I saw an old man near a bus stop. He was standing alone. He looked tired and worried. He had 3 shopping bags in his hands. I stopped and looked at him. I thought that maybe he needed help. So, I walked toward him. I asked him if he was okay. He told me that he was fine, but his shopping bags were very heavy. He wanted to walk home, but he was having difficulty carrying the bags. I looked at the bags. One bag had vegetables. Another bag had fruit. The third bag had bread and some other food. I decided to help him. I took the bags from his hands. They were quite heavy. The old man looked happy. I told him that I could carry the bags to his house. His house was not very far away. We started walking slowly. I carried the bags, and the old man walked beside me. On the way, I noticed that he was walking very slowly. He looked tired, so I walked at his speed. After a few minutes, we passed a small park. There were children playing in the park. There were also some people sitting on benches. The old man looked at the park and smiled. I could see that he liked the place. We continued walking. During the walk, I learned a little about him. He had lived in the area for many years. He had a son and a daughter. His children lived in another city, so he usually lived alone. He told me that his children called him every day. I thought about my own family. I realized how important family is. After about 10 minutes, we arrived at his house. I carried the shopping bags to his front door. I put the bags down carefully. The old man looked very happy. He thanked me for helping him. I told him that it was no problem. I was happy to help. He invited me inside for tea, but I politely said that I had to go home. Before I left, he smiled at me. That smile made me feel very happy. I walked home thinking about what had happened. It was a very small thing. I only carried some shopping bags. But for the old man, my help was important. That day, I learned something very special. We do not need to be rich to help people. We do not need to have special skills. Sometimes, we only need to give a little time. A kind word can help someone. A helping hand can make someone happy. Even a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Since that day, I have tried to pay more attention to people around me. When I see someone who needs help, I try to help if I can. Maybe it takes only a few minutes. But those few minutes can mean a lot to another person. So, my friends, remember this simple lesson. Be kind. Help people when you can. And never think that a small act of kindness is not important. Because sometimes, a small act can make someone's whole day better. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next English story. Goodbye.